babe. My father dead at Kenosha, my mother's love betrayed. But my grandmother, she found me, took the form of crane in flight, carried me to the great tree, hid me in the leaves from sight. She raised me with the Druidess in forests deep and wild, a boy without a name yet, but I was Cumhal's child. I am Fionn the Fair One, the king of bird and bone. I suck the thumb of wisdom, and I claim the giant's throne. From the causeway to the mountain, my story's carved in stone. I am Fionn the Bird King, and I'll never walk alone. I cook the salmon of knowledge, burn my thumb upon the skin, and all the world's great secrets came flooding from within. I pressed the spear against my head when Island played his tune, and saved the halls of Tara beneath the Samhain moon. They gave me back my father's place. I led the Fionn band with brawn and shawling at my side, the finest in the land. I am Fionn the Fair One, the king of bird and bone. I suck the thumb of wisdom, and I claim the giant's throne. From the causeway to the mountain, my story's carved in stone. I am Fionn the Bird King, and I'll never walk alone. My scepter came to me as a deer. I broke the dark man's spell. We loved beneath the ancient hills, and in our joy we dwelled. But he came back in my own shape. The hazel one struck true, and my love ran as deer again across the morning dew. She bore my son in wilderness, wild Oisin of the glen. I searched until the stars grew cold, but never found her then. They say I built the causeway to fight the Scottish giant. Ben-Andar came for blood, his temper was defiant. My Una dressed me as a babe. He saw my baby size, he fled and tore the stones behind, the terror in his eyes. And when I lay there dying, adrift upon the sea, a blackbird came to have his bite, and then he healed me. I am Fionn the Fair One, the king of bird and bone. I suck the thumb of wisdom, and I claim the giant's throne. From the causeway to the mountain, my story's carved in stone. I am Fionn the Bird King, and I'll never walk alone. They say I sleep in Ireland's caves, my warriors at my side, until the day my country calls, when I will wake with pride. Fionn Macawale, the Bird King waits below.